Indian Nursing Council, TNA, ANA, and for students it is Student Nurses Association, like that. So we have to discuss regarding that topic. First one, TNA, Trained Nurses Association of India, right? So TNA is the National Professional Association of Nurses. Association was inaugurated in 1909 and the first president was Miss Ellen Martin and the first secretary Miss Byrne. And the objectives of the association was to uphold the dignity and honor of nursing profession, promote a sense of spirited corps among all the nurses. Spirited corps means feeling of a we feeling, and enabling members to take counsel together on matters relating to their profession. These are the major objectives of TNAI. And what are the main aims? To standardize, upgrade, develop nursing education and to elevate nursing education. Always based on the nursing education, how to standardize, upgrade and develop the nursing education. The level of education should be upgraded. To improve the living and working conditions of the nurses and also develop the education conditions available for nursing. To improve economic standards of the nurses in India. In ancient times, nursing is considered as a very worst job, and then the concept became changed. And to provide registration for the qualified nurses and to provide reciprocity of registration within different states in the country and within different countries. So about the registration for the qualified nurses. So only after your basic BSc nursing education you can be a member in TNA. The association has established the following organizations like Health Visitor League in 1922, Midwives and Auxiliary Nurses Midwives Association in 1925, and SNA, that is Student Nurses Association, started in 1929 and 30 year of age. So SNA was based on the TNA. That's why the membership from your SNA can be directly changed into TNA just after your basic education based degree or diploma course. You can change your membership in the SNA as TNA after, I think it's after just 6 months after your course. And yes, the membership consists of for full members fully qualified registered nurses and associate members like health visitors, midwives and ANMs can be associate members. So you are automatically became the member of TNA just after your basic BSc nursing education. Okay. Membership of TNA is obtained by application and submission of copy of one's state registration certificate. One can apply for a life membership. TNA membership is a lifetime membership, lifelong membership, so you can apply for it just after your basic BSc nursing education and registration from the state council should be compulsory. And the publication, that is Handbook of TNI, published in 1913, Nursing Journal of India published monthly publication, and I think there is a TNI bulletin that is 3 months frequency, I think so. A TNI bulletin is there. So these are the major publications of TNI. So that's all about TNA, Trained Nurses Association of India. Our Roy sir is the president, that is principal of Baby Memorial College of Nursing. Then SNA, that is Student Nurses Association. I hope you have a lot of information about your SNA activities, SNA membership, right? So that is Student Nurses Association. So all of you are in the member of SNA. The Student Nurses Association were established in 1929, which is nationwide organization. In 1954, SNA celebrated the Silver Jubilee and number of unit was 117. And now it more than 506 units. SNA having separate biennial conference. Twice a year there is a conference for SNA, and there is, as you know, there are divided into several zones, and state level competitions are also arranged from SNA, both the arts and sports, right? And academic competitions, educational competitions. There is a full-time secretary for SNA at national level. And the objectives of this SNA is to help the student to uphold the dignity and ideals of the profession for which they are qualifying, to promote a corporate spirit among students for the common good, and to furnish nurses in training with advice in their case of study leading to professional qualification, to encourage leadership ability and help the students to gain a wide knowledge of the nursing profession in all its different branches and aspects, to help the student to increase their social contact and general knowledge in order to assist them to take their place in the world when they have furnished their training, to increase professional, social and recreational developments and arranging meetings, games and sports, to provide a special section in the Nursing Journal of India for the benefit of students. I think Nursing Journal of India having some pages are provided for the SNA students, SNA members, and to encourage students to compete for prizes in the student nursing exhibition and to attend national and regional conferences. SNA is also promoted for the national and international competitions, right, for the participation. And what about the membership? The student nurse can obtain membership of SNA during their training period itself. SNA membership can be transferred to TNA membership. I already mentioned about it. They can take membership in TNA after completion of basic education by obtaining a certificate from the institution in which they have studied within 6 months after completion of studies. Just after getting a what from the state council, we have to get a registration. Then, what are the activities of SNA? You know about all the activities like organization of meetings and conferences, maintenance of an SNA diary is there, exhibitions are conducted, public speaking and writing, debate competitions are conducted. Then project undertaking, propagation of nursing profession, fundraising programs, and socio-cultural and recreation activities and other activities are also organized by Student Nurses Association. Okay, these are the activities of SNA. Okay. Next, moving on to the ICN. What is ICN? International Council of Nurses. That is ICN, to represent nursing worldwide, advancing the profession and influencing the health policy. The ICN is Federation of National Nurses Association, which NNA representing the nurses in more than 128 countries. It's a Federation of National Nurses Association, which represent more than 128 countries, and it's formed in 1899. ICN is the world's first and widest reach international organization for health professionals. Okay. ICN, International Council of Nurses, it's a federation of National Nurses Association. And what are the goals? To influence nursing, health and social policies, professional and socio-economic standards worldwide, to assist the NNA to improve the standard of nursing and the competence of nurses, to promote the development of strong NNA, to represent nurses and nursing internationally, to establish, receive and manage, fund and trust which contribute to the advancement of nursing and of ICN. These are the major goals of ICN, International Council for Nurses. It's a Federation of National Nurses Association, belongs to 128 countries. Okay, finish. In short, there are three main goals: to bring the nursing together worldwide, to advance the nurses and nursing worldwide, to influence health policy. Why there is a worldwide? Because the Indian nurses are accepted in foreign countries also. That's why. So, how to make a worldwide acceptance. And the core values includes visionary leadership, inclusiveness, flexibility, partnership and achievement. The major core values include visionary leadership, inclusiveness, flexibility, partnership and achievement. Okay. The ICN Board of Directors numbers 15 and is comprised of the President, 3 Vice President and 11 members elected on the basis of voting. ICN Board of Directors, it includes 15 members comprised of the President, 3 Vice Presidents and 11 members elected on the basis of voting are there in the ICN Board of